The long-awaited era of future transportation would be exciting because new, more sophisticated modes of transportation would entirely replace the outdated ones, bringing about a paradigm shift in the transportation sector. Who can predict the kind of transportation that people will use in 20 years? However, before we begin our countdown, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 1. Alpine A4810 concept. The engine of this Alpine A4018 idea is hydrogen. Students created a super berlinet for the year 2035 after being invited to do so. The Alpine A4810 is a two-seater berlinet with aerodynamics that were greatly influenced by Formula One, with afternoon spin doodles through double mass. The interior was developed digitally, and the two-tone colors of matte black and carbon fiber have been carefully chosen so that each component of the automobile stands out. Number 2. Hyundai Future Mobility Concept. Hyundai Motor's strategy to become a provider of smart transportation solutions includes robotics heavily. Hyundai Motor is investing greater effort into creating robotics to enhance people's lives through its Mobility Solutions division after purchasing Boston Dynamics, a pioneer in the sector. Mobility and automation support each other nicely since they both hasten the other's growth. Together, they form a synergistic partnership that will benefit businesses and advance society, beginning with a robotics-based ecosystem for the mobility of things. Number 3. Geely Homtruck. In 2024, Geely will unveil a house truck that will compete with Tesla's Semi. The Homtruck will provide a methanol range extender and an all-electric drivetrain with a ladder as options. The Homtruck is anticipated to be one of the most cutting-edge and environmentally friendly commercial vehicles on the road when manufacture and shipping begin in early 2024. A range extender, methanol, hybrid, or all-electric drivetrain, as well as a battery switching option, may all be used with the semi-designed vehicle. Number 4. Wind wings. By 2050, the IMO wants the shipping industry to lead to a 50% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. These objectives include route optimization and wind propulsion. A recent report by Amplifier, titled Towards Net Zero, outlines strategies for achieving zero emissions. It claims that wind is a sizable source of energy and that shipping needs to use it more frequently. Over the past few years, BAR Technologies has spent a lot of time and money preparing to play an important role in emissions reduction in the marine industry. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz F 015. Luxury in motion. At the CES event in Las Vegas at the start of 2015, the Mercedes-Benz F 015 made its debut. This luxurious car measures 52 millimeters in length, 18 millimeters in width, and 24 millimeters in height. Wheelbase length for the vehicle is up to 10 millimeters. The doors open at a 90-degree angle, and there are no B-pillars, making it simple to enter the spacious interior. The concept is that the owner's phone or tablet, whether it be a smartphone or a tablet, will be able to unlock the door and operate the essential features. Cabinets for swivel bucket chairs and a mobile display table are situated in the center of the cabin. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.